Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Install the IMS client, connect to the server at your company URL, and enter admin credentials to begin. Choose a hosting option, cloud or on-premises. Cloud simplifies backups while on-premises gives direct control. Configure company profile, set base currency to USD, fiscal year start, and 30-day reporting period for rolling metrics. Create user roles and permissions, giving at least one admin and one inventory manager. Import initial product list as a CSV with columns. SKU, name, unit, cost, reorder point, and supplier ID to seed the database. Record receipts by scanning a barcode or uploading a delivery manifest to add units to stock. Verify quantities against the purchase order and update lot or serial numbers when applicable. Process sales orders, reserve stock, update available quantity, and generate pick lists for fulfillment. Set order priority and automatically allocate using FIFO or FIFO rules. Use automatic reorder triggers tied to reorder points and lead time. Run a cycle count weekly for fast-moving SKUs and a full physical count every 90 days to reconcile variances. Schedule automated reports, daily stock levels at 0600, weekly turnover, and monthly valuation reports that include cost, margin, and aging. Integrate with accounting via API to sync invoices, update cost of goods sold, and push journal entries. Map tax codes and currencies before live sync. Connect to e-commerce platforms and shipping providers using REST endpoints and webhooks for real-time inventory updates. Use built-in diagnostics to check queues, clear cache, restart services, and contact support with a system log bundle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.